Before we can put the credits into our video, we need a list of the websites where these pictures came from. We'll also need a statement right here of gratitude to those websites. I'm going to clear these out so that we can show you how that works. I'm using Control End and Control Home on my keyboard to go back and forth between the different areas. I'm going to look at this Honduras one just by hovering over it so I can spot what that URL is. If you did not use the right link to create your linked outline, then you'll need to just hunt for it down below. I know I want the lovelikeyoumeanitcruise.com. So I'm going to go down below. You can page down if you like to go down to where you have your actual links. If not, like I said, you'll have to figure out which one of these links is the one to your picture. You'll notice here that we have https:// at the beginning of every single link, so we don't want to include that in our credits. And we don't need to say www anymore. When the internet first started, we needed to let people know this comes from the World Wide Web, but a lot of times that's left off. I'm going to copy this part. It's in between the two slashes and then that first single slash. So your domain is going to be somewhere in that area. Right-clicking on it and copying. I'm going to press Control N to go to the very bottom of my document. I want to be on a new page, so I'm going to press Control and Enter. Control V to paste, and I have my first one. We don't actually need that to be a link, so I'm just extracting that little bit of text from inside the link to show people what website we were on. I'm going to press Control Home to go back to the top. Hover over Guam. Guam, I can see that it came from Expedia.com. So I'm going to go down and copy out Expedia.com. Find number 2. Here it is right here. And I really just need this. That stuff at the beginning just saying it's media. If it says image or download or something like that, we really just want the basics here. There's usually a 3-letter one, but they've added quite a few new ones. For example, datatech.studio is a domain that I have my website on. Here we have .com. There's .gov for government sites, edu for educational sites. This one right here says huckberry.imagix.net. So let's go get Huckberry. Here's Huckberry. Press Control End and paste. And that image part in the middle, not really necessary. It's just showing us that the picture came from the image part of the website. So that's good for that. And just keep going. Go all the way through. Let's take a look at some of these. This is variety.com. Pretty easy. This one says amazon.com. And so these are pictures on the shopping site. So we can just thank Amazon, Wallpaper Cat, Bustle, ultimatemovierankings.com, cloudfront.net, lakefortresort.com, says.com. So you can see it's pretty easy once you get going to see where it is, // // and then trying to figure out exactly what should be in our thank you note down here at the bottom. Once you have your list, take a quick look, see if you have any duplicates. We don't have to thank Expedia twice. So we'll get rid of any duplicates and just try and get that clean list. We'll also need a statement of gratitude here at the top. Doesn't have to be complicated. Thanks to the following websites for the pictures in this video. Come up with your own saying. We're just going to list that, and then we copy, and we're ready to paste into Premiere.